Get into the 2023 Ram 2500. Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, navigation system, keyless start, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, remote engine start. Attack your projects with the strength and power that leaves no room for doubt. Drive the Ram 2500.